Deep in the heart of the city, nestled between a bakery famous for its rainbow bagels and a bookshop stacked with tales of daring pirates, was a place of wonder. It wasn't a shop or a cafe, but the lab of Professor Theodore Berner, a scientist unlike any other. His lab was a symphony of bubbling beakers, humming machines adorned with blinking lights, and walls plastered with diagrams no one else could quite understand. Professor Berner wasn't your typical serious scientist. He wore mismatched socks with his lab coat, and his laughter echoed through the lab as he conducted his experiments. He believed that science was about exploration and joy, a grand adventure into the unknown. He often said, "Science isn't about dusty textbooks, it's about the spark in your eye when you discover something new." Professor Berner, with a twinkle in his eye, peered through his microscope at the luminescent fungi interacting with the light particles. He expected to see the usual scattering patterns, but what he observed was something extraordinary, something that made his jaw drop in astonishment. Instead of scattering, the light particles seemed to be dancing, swirling in a mesmerizing, intricate pattern like a miniature cosmic ballet. He leaned closer, adjusting the microscope's focus, his heart pounding with a mixture of excitement and disbelief. It was as if the light particles had become tiny dancers, gracefully waltzing and pirouetting in sync with an invisible rhythm. The fungi, bathed in their own ethereal glow, seemed to be conducting this microscopic orchestra of light. This wasn't just science, it was pure magic. Professor Berner, usually a man of many words, found himself speechless, captivated by the mesmerizing spectacle unfolding before his very eyes. He knew, with a scientist's intuition, that he had stumbled upon something truly groundbreaking. His mind raced with questions, each more intriguing than the last. What was causing this extraordinary phenomenon? The discovery of the dancing light particles, dubbed Berner's sparkles by an enthusiastic lab assistant, sent ripples of excitement throughout the scientific community. Professor Berner, true to his belief in the power of collaboration, shared his findings openly, inviting scientists from all over the world to join him in unraveling the mysteries of his accidental discovery. True to his playful nature, Professor Berner decided to name these newly discovered particles after famous dancers throughout history. There was the ginger, a particle known for its fiery, unpredictable movements, named after the legendary Ginger Rogers. Then there was the Astaire, a particle that moved with a smooth, effortless grace, named after the iconic Fred Astaire. The lab was abuzz with activity, a melting pot of languages and ideas as scientists from different corners of the world converged, their collective knowledge illuminating the path towards understanding the intricacies of the dancing particles. Every new experiment, every shared insight, brought them closer to deciphering the secrets of Berner's sparkles. The atmosphere was electric, a testament to the infectious joy of scientific exploration. Section 4, spreading the joy of science, collaboration and excitement. Word of Professor Berner's discovery and his unique collaborative approach to research spread far and wide. Soon his lab became a hub for budding scientists, their young minds eager to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Professor Berner, with his infectious enthusiasm and knack for explaining complex concepts in simple terms, nurtured their curiosity, turning his lab into a playground of scientific exploration. He believed that science should be accessible to everyone, not just those with fancy degrees and complicated labs. He organized open houses, inviting families to witness the magic of Berner's sparkles firsthand. Children, their eyes wide with wonder, watched in amazement as the tiny particles danced and twirled, their movements projected onto a large screen. These events weren't just about showcasing a scientific discovery. They were about sparking a love for science in young minds. Professor Berner, with his kind smile and encouraging words, instilled in them the belief that anyone, regardless of their background, could be a scientist. The lab, once a place of quiet research, was now filled with laughter, the clatter of beakers, and the excited chatter of young minds engrossed in the wonders of science. Section 5, a legacy of Wonder Berner's enduring impact. Professor Berner's discovery of the dancing light particles, a testament to his unwavering belief in the power of curiosity and collaboration, had a profound impact on the world. It revolutionized fields ranging from energy to medicine, paving the way for inventions and innovations that were once considered the stuff of science fiction. The burner engine, a clean energy source powered by the controlled movements of the sparkles, became a reality. But perhaps Professor Burner's most significant contribution was not a specific invention, but the way he changed how we view science. He made it fun, accessible, and inspiring, reminding everyone that the pursuit of knowledge is a joyous adventure. His story served as a beacon of hope, proving that even in a world often focused on the serious and the mundane, there's always room for a little wonder. Even today, years after his passing, Professor Burner's legacy lives on. His lab, carefully preserved, stands as a monument to his life's work, a place where the spirit of scientific inquiry continues to thrive. And every year on the anniversary of his discovery, the city celebrates Burner's Day, a festival of science and wonder, where children dressed as dancing particles fill the streets, their laughter a testament to the enduring power of curiosity and the joy of scientific discovery.